In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Shopify Marketplace Connect app with Amazon, Etsy, and eBay. To begin, log into your Shopify admin. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the Settings area so you can access the tools connected to your store. From there, look to the left sidebar and click on Apps. This is where you can manage the apps already installed on your store and also find new ones to add. Next, open the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Marketplace Connect and search for it. When the results appear, select the Marketplace Connect app from the list. Take a moment to make sure you have chosen the correct app, then click Install to start adding it to your Shopify store. After that, Shopify will show you a permission screen. This page explains what the app will be allowed to access in your store. Review those permissions carefully so you understand how the app will work with your products and listings. When you are ready, click Install App to confirm. Once the app opens, you will arrive at the dashboard. Here, look for the option to connect a marketplace and click Connect Marketplace. The app will then ask you to choose your region or country. Select the correct option for your business, since this affects the marketplace connection and account settings. Then click Connect Account to continue. You will now be redirected to the login page for the marketplace you want to connect, such as Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. Sign in with your seller account details and follow the prompts to authorize the Shopify integration. This authorization is what allows Shopify Marketplace Connect to sync information between your store and the marketplace. After the connection is complete, move to the listing section. This is where you choose how your Shopify products will map to the marketplace. Product mapping is important because it helps match your Shopify product information to the correct marketplace fields, including things like title, category, and brand. You will also be able to choose your editing layout or use attribute mapping. This lets you match Shopify fields to the marketplace requirements more accurately. Taking a little extra time here can help prevent listing errors and make your product data more consistent across every sales channel. Once everything is mapped correctly, your setup is in place, and you are ready to manage marketplace listings through Shopify Marketplace Connect. That covers everything you need to know.